Hello, my name is Josh Goodell and I'm here with Nir Raz. We're here at MWC 19. We made an exciting announcement a couple of days ago as it pertains to AT&T's network edge compute capabilities. And really what that's all about is pushing cloud resources deeper into our network, which allows low latent, secure connections for customers to utilize that cloud infrastructure. We're really excited about it, and what I'm really interested in hearing from Nir is how you're working with us to make this real.
So thank you. We've been working with the AT&T Foundry for about 3 months now, and Vorpal provides drone monitoring, real-time or near real-time drone monitoring, which enables us in the future to monitor the whole sheer volume of drones to be introduced by the large companies who do drone deliveries. So with the edge compute infrastructure, it will enable us to be part of this unique commercial drone monitoring environment, usually referred to as unmanned traffic management or UTM. And with the edge compute, it will enable us to provide near real-time picture of all the drones, highly accurate, wide area coverage, and to support all the upcoming commercial drone monitoring or UTM infrastructure. We should be able to supply airports, law enforcement, even stadiums or municipalities with multiple services, SaaS, software as a service kind of services, for drone monitoring and so forth, public safety, law enforcement, and even regulations.
And I know that as a part of this, you've been working with our Foundry organization, which really specializes in rapid innovation and taking an idea and taking AT&T capabilities and bringing another partner in, another collaborator in, and helping create something real. So what has your experience been with the Foundry, and how has that gone so far?
Exactly what you described. As I mentioned earlier, we met with them about 3 months ago. We had great technical discussions. They identified the use cases. They identified the non-trivial connection between the cloud edge compute and what we're doing, drone monitoring, and make this collaboration feasible and doable.
Right.
And the fact that we are standing here and talking about that and announcing it.
Isn't that amazing?
Amazing, exciting, totally exciting.
Wow. Anyway, Nir, it's great to chat. I'm glad that we got to share this with others, and really excited about the work that we're doing together.
Same here, thank you so very much.
All right, thanks.